Hi, I'm Jenny Gomez with the Elite Home Sales Team at RE/MAX Professionals. I am here in the Aurora community of Foxdale, where I'm ready to show you a 2-bedroom, 2-bath condo with reserved parking. This home offers 1,061 square feet. It includes an in-unit laundry room with washer and dryer, and some of the great exterior amenities that I think you're going to appreciate this upcoming summer are a large covered front patio, as well as the community offers pool, clubhouse, and tennis courts. Let's take a tour around and let's see what you think. Well, I hope you enjoyed that. If you have any additional questions or need more information, just give me a call. Jenny Gomez, 303-880-8270.